Hey everybody, it's BT here with the April unboxing of the Wallflower Box. Let's get started. Alright, so we have our Introvert Insight card and our packing list card. So we'll just refer to this as we go along. So we have some socks, very pretty and floral, very springy. I don't know why I just smelled the socks. And then we have a coupon card for Diana Naturals. Kick back, relax, and check out some new music. This card entitles you to one download of the music currently released by Jacob Restito. Looks like a baseball player. And then we have coconut melt. What is this? Okay, so that is pure coconut. It smells like coconut oil. So that's awesome. I love coconut. I just don't like to eat it. And then Seeds of Intention cards, daily intentions for living on purpose. Oh, this seems kind of awesome. Let's see if I can get it open. Okay, it took a bit of work, but let's see. For today, I am grateful. I love the green. Green is my favorite color. For today, I cherish beauty. Okay, so these are really nice. I love these. I am so in love with this box. And then we have, what is this? Let's see, what is this? Okay, so this looks like some cosmetics. That is not my complexion. Let's see. Oh, it's eyeshadow. I don't think that it's vegan eyeshadow. I don't think this is gonna work for me, but I will find somebody that may want to try it. So I kind of wish they wouldn't have gave such a neutral color. And then this is the mud mask. Okay. Let's see, does this have a scent? Okay, so there's no scent. That is like straight up mud mask. That's straight up water and time. Time to put it on. Like, that is a real spa retreat. That's my son in the background. He's a little excited. And then, what's in this? Let's see, what is this? Okay, so we have a lantern. I have one of these. Let's see. Black lantern and tea candle. Okay. So, you've seen these before. I don't really need to take it out too much, but yeah, little black lantern. And then, what is this in here? There's so much stuff in this thing. Oh, okay. Tea lights for the lantern. And then what else? Oh, milk chocolate covered pretzels. Yum yum. And, alright, so there wasn't really anything scented in here. A book called The Irresistible Introvert. Harness the power of quiet charisma in a loud world by Michaela Chong. Alright. So there was no smell goods in here, but that is awesome. I guess. So we have this book. We have pretzels. Seeds of intention cards. These are adorable. I love this. A mud mask, a lantern with tea lights. Let me just put that right there. Some vegan eyeshadow, which won't work for my skin tone. Coconut melt. And socks. And of course, their cards. All right. See you guys next month. Bye-bye.